Hey, my name is Heidenmark Cook and I am Chief Sustainability Officer at IKEA Group, which is a strategic partner and the largest franchisee of IKEA. We are delighted to support the new initiative from Solar Power Europe calling for all new buildings in the EU to have solar installations. We believe that climate change is for real and it's no longer a distant threat, but actually something that people see in their everyday life. We believe that solar is a key part of the renewable energy transition, and we truly believe that the future of energy is renewable. We at IKEA Group have set a goal to produce as much renewable energy as we consume by 2020, and we're almost there. Solar is a big part of this, where we have now 900,000 solar installations on our buildings, and 3/4 of that energy being produced is used in our buildings. We're also going beyond our own operations by offering home solar to customers. We're now doing that soon in 10 markets. And that's fundamentally an ability or a possibility for our customers to live more climate friendly by generating solar in their homes. So we truly are delighted about this new initiative because the future needs to be renewable. And this campaign is a step in the right direction. We all need to take climate action and we all need to do it now. Thank you.